Sir, can you categorically deny that you're involved in drugs para matapos na
You won't even dignify the question.
Thank you, sir.
Oh my G, the question is so simple. Can you categorically deny your involvement sa drogation? What is so hard in that question? How hard it is to answer? Bakit kailangan may patawa-tawa ka and at the same time, you won't even dignify the question? My God, you don't need to dignify the question. Just answer the question. Plain and simple. Maidi-deny mo ba na involved ka sa paggamit ng ipinagbabawal na drogation? Yes or no lang. Napakasimple. Well, not unless you are into it. But normally, okay, kahit kanino mo itanong, napakadaling sagutin ng tanong na yan. Diba? May di-deny mo ba ang paggamit mo ng drogation? You asked me now. Diba? I will ask my friends about it. Napakadaling sabihin. If you are not into it, I'm not using illegal substance. Kahit ka-plastikan lang, hindi mo magawa. Diba? Is it because A, you're into it? B, you're into it? C, you're into it? Or D, all of the above? My God, the question is so simple. How hard it is to answer. Diba? Can you categorically deny your involvement sa drogation? Ano sagot mo? I won't even dignify the question. What? Yes or no lang? Yes or no lang? My God, what the fuck?